Cleaning up metal debris in industrial areas, ports, and construction sites has never been easier. Equipped with a powerful ferrite magnet and 3,000 to 4,000 Gauss magnetic strength, this forklift magnet effortlessly collects nails, screws, metal shards, and dust in seconds. With its special release handles, collected metals can be dropped instantly. The driver can complete the process with a single action, saving both time and effort. Designed for both front and rear forklift mounting, this magnet is custom-made to fit your needs. Built with a stainless steel AISI 304 body and an effective pickup range of 15 to 30 centimeters, it offers durability and high performance. This is the perfect solution for industrial zones, airports, construction sites, municipalities, and steel factories. Order now and create a cleaner, safer work environment. For more information, contact magnetechsanuk@gmail.com. Magnetech San. Powerful magnet. Definite solution.